So I just plugged in my Bluetti e3ba, and I have my cigs panel on the roof again, and it is charging at 53 watts at 5 UVs right now. But I'm near shade, sort of, so it's kind of like a little bit more trees near me, so UVs aren't going to be as high. But still, 53 watts is plenty for the e3ba to charge within 3 hours, so that's good. So the e3ba, at 150 watts of input from anything, it takes an hour to charge, maybe an hour and a half. The with 60 watts, it takes around 2.5 to 3 hours to charge completely. But we'll test that now with the solar panel. This is the second time I'm using it in the desert. So I've only had it plugged in for less than 2-3 minutes, and it already went up to 40% from 39%. That's great. So right now it's 133. It just hit 40% this second, so we'll see in a couple hours what happens. So it is exactly 27 minutes later, and it went up 8%. But mind you, this e3ba is 3 years old, plus it's been through hot, cold, negative degrees, plus sub-zero, and super hot. And the wattages have been only 50. Also, the UVs are only 5 right now, so... Also, considering that the UV's 5 and my solar panel's a 100-watt solar panel, that's the reason why... Because the e3ba can absorb up to 200 watts of solar or grid energy of any. So if it can absorb 200 watts of solar at the maximum, then that means that it would charge a lot faster if I got the full 200 watts. But if I had a 200-watt solar panel right now in 5 UVs, I'd probably get around 100 watts of energy, which would charge it much faster than it currently is. Anyway, let's check up on it again. It's at 52 right now. That's good. And if you take a look at the app, right now I'm getting 52 watts from the solar panel, but I'm also using 11 watts to charge my fan right now at the same exact time, which I've been doing this whole time, so that's probably one of the reasons why it's charging a lot slower than normal, because I completely forgot I had the fan plugged in, charging with DC on the e3ba right now, and I'll show you that in a second. As you can see, the fan is right now running, and it is charging while plugged in through this cord. I have the USB-C cord that I plugged in right now to my Bluetti, charging the fan constantly, and it's outputting 11 watts to the fan to keep that charged. So you all can pretty much figure out the efficiency of the fan charging with my Bluetti and the solar running, how fast it will charge right now as of how much output and input I'm getting and utilizing. So I'm gonna get out of here now.